Hello everyone and welcome to a beginner's guide to Python and data. I'm Ross, your instructor. I've got a master's in the computer science field and also some experience as a Python tutor. I personally transitioned into this field from the humanities and taking quite a convoluted approach and fallen down countless potholes. And so I want to teach you how to get started with Python, but also how to avoid the same mistakes that I made when it came to learning it. What is going to make this course different is we're going to really focus on exercises and practical experience, not just watching the videos. So practical work is crucial in developing your skill with Python. You wouldn't expect to learn a language by just listening to native speakers, and Python is no different. To really learn, you need to engage with the exercises and not just rush through the course. Take your time and revisit lessons to make sure you fully understand the content. Working practically can be challenging at times, so be patient with yourself. Remember that Google and Stack Overflow are your friends. If you have an error or you cannot remember a concept, then a quick Google search usually brings up countless threads of others with the exact same problem, and more importantly, a solution. Some exercises will be shown on screen, while other times there will be files for you to download and expand the code already present. And at the end of the course, I'll give you advice on the next steps to take, in the form of projects to attempt in order to help build a portfolio of your experience. If you already have some experience with Python, then watching these first few videos won't be detrimental. Skip ahead to the exercises to make sure you can solve them, and if not, then review any gaps in your knowledge. If you run into issues or errors that you cannot solve yourself with Googling, then leave a comment, and myself or another student will hopefully be able to give you a solution. Just make sure your description of the problem is clear and include any error codes. Now for a quick overview of the material that we're going to cover. The first few lessons will look at setting up Python and understanding the fundamentals. Then we'll move on to working with data in Python. This will involve analysing data with a variety of techniques and also creating data visualizations. And then we'll move on to basic machine learning techniques. Finally, we'll perform a full-scale data exploration. This will be a perfect project to start off your portfolio. I'm looking forward to having you on this course. Hopefully you'll learn a lot. And remember to take it slow and practice a little every day.